Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and today I'm back with an V-Guard gas water heater. So this is how the package looks, and I'm gonna make an unboxing of this, and I'm gonna tell you the capacity and all the information on this particular gas geyser. So before that, I'd like to thank everyone, and you guys are part of my success where I have reached 14,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much guys for your continuous support and watching my video. And please do comment on the comment section where if you want me to improve my video or my video quality or my editing and anything, please give me a suggestion and help me in uploading more and more videos guys. So as like most of you guys requested me to make a video in Hindi, I'm definitely trying in making the Hindi, but as I told you my Hindi is not that great, but still I'm trying it. So दोस्तों जैसे बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ हिंदी में वीडियो बनाने के लिए, और आपका जो भी फीडबैक है और जो सपोर्ट है मुझे बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर आप पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ सपोर्ट कीजिए, जैसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन के ऊपर क्लिक कीजिए और अपलोड करने में मुझे मदद कीजिए. सो जैसे हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आज. हाउएवर जैसे दिस इज V-Guard water heater. Let me just open this. जैसे ये है V-Guard Safe Flow Plus, which is 6 liters water heater, which comes with 2-year warranty. So let's open this, and I'm gonna show you the unboxing of this particular water heater. I think you can see over here. So this is a very huge box. I think it weighs about 10 kg or 5 to 6 kg. So let's start the unboxing and let's begin the unboxing. Stay tuned and please support me and let me know your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much guys. Let's begin the unboxing. So guys, let us open this. Open the box, and now let's see inside. So this is how the stabilizer, the gas geyser looks. So I bought many of stuffs where I have to make the unboxing. I'm gonna show you how to open any kind of box with this. Just hold all the corners. Okay. So I'm gonna just reverse this upside down and just pull out the cotton box. So this is how you can open, and there's nothing else inside this cotton box. Let me just pull it apart, and here comes the installation and instruction guide. It says the complete procedure, installation manual and operation, how to operate this. Let's keep this apart, and let's hold the thermocol and place this in the right position. So this is how it looks. We got gas geyser. Let's remove this, all the thermocol parts side by side. Okay, so you can see guys, this is the water heater, gas geyser. So it's very good. The finish and everything is good, and the metal, everything is strong, not like a normal local one. It has got 6 USB flame controller, so you can just control the flame from minimum to maximum over here. And this is the water supply, pump selector, which is winter and summer. This is how it is. And here comes the water flow. So I can use the Bernal selection. I think use the Bernal heat, which I can select, and use the flame. I don't know why they have given both this, but let me just figure it out. I'm going to show you in the installation video. Here's the water flow, the maximum water or the low water. Here comes the on and off, and this is the indicator. Let's turn it to the side. So here there's nothing, and here are the screws where you're gonna like install and fix it over the bathroom or any other place where you want this to be installed. And coming to the bottom part over here, so this is where you're gonna insert the battery. I have to put 2 batteries over here, the charged batteries, and this is the water inlet, this is gas inlet, and this is water outlet. Here you connect the gas. Okay, from here you're gonna connect the gas, and here you're gonna insert the water inlet, and this is the output, and this is the battery one. So directly when you connect this, and the gas is on, so once you once you install this, you're gonna just turn on the gas from the normal regulator and just turn on the switch. As soon as you on the tap, automatically the water starts flowing, and once water starts flowing, the battery immediately produces a spark inside, so the flames get on, and then the hot, you will get the instant hot water. So you don't need to wait. Here are the coils and everything which you can see inside, and it's a very good one, guys. The design looks very good, and everything is fine over here. It's very sleek. So it says safe flow plus, which is 6 liter capacity. And this was the quick unboxing, guys. I'm gonna show you the other videos on the installation video. So hope this video helped you. And tried this bought from offline store, and I'm gonna mention the price in the comment section. Okay, and so let's wind up the unboxing video now. So I'm gonna show you the other. I'm gonna show you how to install this myself. I'm gonna show you in my next video, and I'm gonna share the link at the comment section for the next video. And I'm gonna try to add it on the right side over here, so you can just click on that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video is useful to you, and please subscribe me, and click on the bell icon to get notification and help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up.